Yeah, another quick one here. I got a small ball peen here. It's no name. I'm gonna clean it up, put a handle on it. This is the handle I'm gonna use. So just have to take this off here. I think that's shot. Throw that away. Have to do a little bit of sanding there on the end and should be good. Take this to the wire wheel and I'll be back shortly. Alright, I'm done with the wire wheel. I did hit it with a buffer a little bit. I did see this, a little, I think it's an H with a circle in there. I'm not sure what brand that is. But I'm going to work on the handle here a little bit now. See if I can get that sanded down and fit. Alright, I'm ready to install the handle now. I got a little bit of linseed oil on there to help it get in there better. Yeah. It's going to be a tight fit. Shoot. I hate doing it this way, but I'm going to have to. Alright, looks like that's going to work. Yeah, it's really tight. Shoot. Let's get that down a little farther. Might have enough here. Alright, that looks better. Cut the top off of there and install the wood wedge. That worked pretty good. See if we can get this wood wedge in here without splitting it. It's going in there pretty tight. The handle shouldn't come off for a long time. Shoot, I cracked it. That's alright. Alright, I'll clean that up a little bit and install the metal wedge. Alright, that's pretty good. Got a little bit of a crack right there, but that should fill in with the metal wedge. I'll put a little bit of linseed oil in here too. See if I can get this centered. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Sorry about that. I ran out of memory. I got it sanded off on the top there. Looks pretty good. I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of linseed oil on this handle. It is pretty dry. More in this container here. Oh, yuck. Alright, I'll probably put another couple of coats on here after this one soaks in, but otherwise I think I'm pretty much done with this one. Better than it was before. Alright guys, till next time.